Okay, today we'll be unboxing the KR S90A with Bluetooth capabilities. Here's your instruction manual and parts list. First off, we have the lock itself. We have the additional hardware, and it's going to come with two cables. One is for emergency power, and the other will connect to that via any USB device, which will give it that power. And here is the stripe for the lock. Everything unboxed, you can take a look at the instructions, and you can open up your QR scanner and use that to download the app. And then there are instructions that you can follow just to get that underway. And once you have the app set up and you're all connected, the main screen is going to look like this. And right now you can see that the lock is in the lock position, and a simple tap will unlock it. Okay, so that was set to automated lock, so you can now unlock and lock again freely. You can also use the RFID cards, which have about a 1.5-inch range. There we go. And the lock itself will work up to 15 feet through Bluetooth and is even capable of working through metal cabinetry. In the app itself, you can control certain aspects of the lock, whether you want it to be manual or automatic. When set to automatic, it's about a 5-second time for it to lock again. With Bluetooth, you can also see who opened and locked it. And you can also add multiple users, delete users, and you can turn off the alarm. So also in these settings, you can change the sound by giving it a sound when you lock and unlock. Just for your own personal preference. Okay. The RFID cards will also be capable through wood applications, but not through metal. Alright, so the emergency power cable will be connected into the bottom of the lock itself. Okay. And this should be placed in the bottom of the cabinet, where you can then drill a hole for access to this cable, where you can then use a USB device for emergency power on the lock itself.